Hi friends, this week we're talking about the zoo. Have you ever been to the zoo? I love going to the zoo and seeing the animals. They're very relaxing to watch. There's an animal strike at the zoo. There's an elephant and a zebra and a monkey. It says, it's true. This is a fun story. There's an animal strike at the zoo. It's true. The headlines are telling it all. The animals quit. That's it. We're through. All the critters from biggest to small. It says, no more peanuts. We're paid only peanuts, the elephants shout. And goodness, we're bigger than that. So now they won't trumpet or lumber about. They just sit in this shade and look fat. They maybe want to talk to the mouse. The monkeys won't monkey around anymore. You won't see us climbing again. They wallow like big monkey lumps on the floor. We want a nice pool in our pen. The leopards aren't prowling. The wolf packs are not howling. The tigers aren't growling. The otters aren't scowling. Egad, the worst has come true. There's an animal strike at the zoo. The zebras are looking like horses today. They painted the stripes in, you see. We're all sick and tired of eating this hay. No good looks do not come for free. They're painting themselves brown or yellow or gold. No more zebras. Those silly giraffes are not any better. You won't see our necks anymore. They're knitting themselves long turtleneck sweaters, which go from their heads to the floor. That must be a pretty big sweater. Business this day is slow as can be. Folks go to the circus instead. Nobody wants to pay money to see the animals lie in bed. The lions aren't roaring, the eagles aren't soaring, the penguins are snoring. It's all rather boring. But what can a zookeeper do? There are animal strike at the zoo. He really is doing the best that he can. The elephants all got a raise. Instead of just peanuts, they now eat pecans, and he offered them 6-hour days. The monkeys are given a kiddie pool, and he's feeding the zebra sweet oats. The monkeys complain that the water is cool, and the zebra demand root beer floats. Then, in through the gate walks sweet Susie. She just can't believe she's there. She's always wanted to come to the zoo, and she's begging for this trip for a year. She's so excited to be there. But no birdies are peeping, no lizards are creeping, no bunnies are leaping. Then poor Sue starts weeping. That means she's crying. Her heart is broken in two by the animal strike at the zoo. As tears start to streak down her cute rosy face, the animals watch the wee child. A deep hush of sadness falls over the place. The animals are feeling bad too. And then they go totally wild. With roaring and peeping and howling and growling, all critters from biggest to small start soaring and creeping and leaping and prowling. And then little Susie laughs at them all. And all of the animals find out that day that actually what they can do. The zookeeper calls a reporter to say, hooray, no more strike at the zoo. But the bear at the circus won't pedal his bike. Uh-oh, he says he's on strike. Yikes. Bye, friends.